Yo, what's up guys? So in this video, we're gonna talk about merch by Amazon. Is it still worth it? Welcome back to my channel. My name is RJ Martinez, and we're gonna talk about merch by Amazon. Is it still worth it? Let me give you guys a little bit of inside background of myself. Personally, I have sold over 150K in royalties, 50K in products all time. So I know a little bit about the platform. I've done a lot of testing with merch by Amazon. I know how to get stuff to rank on the front page. I have top selling designs and niches and all that fun, good stuff. Also too, we're gonna pick the winner for the giveaway that we done recently. All right. In order for you guys to enter in giveaways and stuff, only thing I ask for is that you guys watch to the end, give this video a thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, baby. So let's get into the computer and pick a winner real fast. All right, guys. So we're right here in the back end of YouTube. So this is the video right here that we did the giveaway for. Come here and copy this link. So we had over 96 comments. So we had over 96 comments on this video. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you guys that are in there engaging and helping other people in the community and stuff like that. Because, you know, people watch the video and they go in the comments and see what the heck's going on. So let's pick a winner. So we're going to come over here to commentpicker.com. And we're going to plug in the URL, paste it right there. Get YouTube comments. Boom, boom. All right. And then I'm going to come over here, start raffle, and pick a random winner. I'm going to press start. And the winner is, drum roll, please. Boom, man, I do not know how to say your name. You won, okay. Let's, if you can give me a message. I'm not even going to try to say it. I'm sorry. But you definitely won the 30-minute coaching call, so congratulations. And I would, if you can give me a message or some comment down below, we can set up a 30-minute coaching call. We can do like a video chat or whatever the heck is it, whatever the heck you want to go over with merch by Amazon, and or even KDP if you like to as well. Kind of go over all that fun stuff. So good job. Good job. I'm sorry if I didn't pronounce your name correctly, but good job. You're the winner. Let's get straight back into the content. My goal with this video, guys, is to help you guys get ahead of your competition or get ahead of the game just in general and give you guys a better insight so you can be successful on merch by Amazon.
Still a chance here. It's Willingham. Into the box. Willingham shoots. Goal! That was magic. This is history in the making. Sweet dreams, nighty night. Willingham tucks it in and puts the championship to bed.
Also, too, right here after this video, after you guys get done watching this video, I have how to get accepted into merch by Amazon. Okay, it's very important that you guys follow that right here in the little top card thing. Follow that video after you guys get done watching this video. It's important that you guys get like the bigger picture and understand how to get accepted and stuff like that if you're not accepted already. Now with merch by Amazon, there's other platforms, right? With print on demand in general, right? There's other print on demand platforms like merch by Amazon, Society6, TeePublic, Redbubble, and there's Etsy, right? And that's more of like you're using a third-party seller, a third-party print provider, right? Not third-party seller, third-party print provider. And you're connected it to Etsy, and you can definitely make a lot of money there too, right? So there's other avenues, okay? You wanna think of print on demand as like a whole, right? A big source of income. Definitely with merch by Amazon, you can definitely make a good amount of income on there too, right? It's a very, very big opportunity that you wanna take advantage of, right? It's huge, it's a huge marketplace. You're getting all these customers. It makes it so much easier for you to create a product and take the Amazon traffic, put a design up, and then you make sales from that. So kind of just think about it that way. It's huge. It's a big opportunity. Me personally, this month, I'm on track to do over 6 figures with merch by Amazon. Okay, so you can definitely see that is it worth it, right? There's opportunity there, right? So there's a big opportunity. So me telling you guys that right there, sharing my insights and stuff like that, it's a big help. And that's my goal, just to help you guys. So you guys want to understand that I'm doing this for myself too, but as I'm growing and stuff like that, I'm kind of sharing my journey with you guys and also helping you along the way. So very, very important. So one of the most important things, right, when it comes to merch by Amazon, you just want to understand the algorithm, okay? Like the SEO, how customers searching for a product on Amazon. If you can create a product, so basically you're doing research first, right? One of the most important things, okay? Unless you have your audience already, that's different. But if you're in here new and you're doing research, the goal is to do research and see what customers are searching for and then provide a design to that customer so they can make a purchase, right? So if you give a design, so if a customer is looking for a certain keyword, let's say dabbing skeleton, right? Dabbing skeleton shirt or whatever product that you're uploading to. If they're looking for a certain product, and this is important, understand this. This is important because this is kind of giving you an idea as you're doing keyword research that customers looking for this. Now, you want to make sure that there's very little competition. If you do that, when you search that keyword in, you see over 1,000 results, right? You can see all these dabbing skeletons. It's going to be hard for you to stand out. So you have to think about, okay, am I going to dive into this niche? Do I have a design, or do I have a saying or anything in that nature that can be the best on this in this niche, right? Can I stand out? Can you, right? So this is what I recommend is also just when you're doing keyword research, you want to look for those low competition keywords, and that's going to help you get on that front page faster, right? And then you make a sale, you're top 5 already, top 3, right? So very, very important that you understand that. And most people don't understand that. They think they can just go grab a design, right? And just throw it on the platform. It doesn't work that way no more. There's a lot of competition. Yes, there's a lot of competition, but in ways there's no competition if you understand the keyword research, and that's huge. Now you're asking yourself, like, okay, why do merch by Amazon and not Shopify? Okay, now this is what I recommend. This is what I always recommend is learn how people shop online, right? If you can create a source of income with merch by Amazon, leverage the platform first to get like a consistent $2,000, $1,000, $3,000, $4,000 a month, then leverage that and then go start your own Shopify drop shipping business, right? With your own brand, your own designs over there. But now if you go over there, straight over here to Shopify and create your own website and all that fun stuff, right? It's fun, but it can be a little challenging if you don't know what you're doing, and it costs money. Remember that. You're gonna spend money on advertisement. How are you gonna get your customers? If you don't have an audience already, of course, if you don't have an audience already, how are you gonna get people over there, right? How are you gonna get people to your website to know who you are? So you gotta think about it that way. It's a little bit more of a challenge. I'm not saying you can't do it, because if you put your mind to it, I believe you can do anything. But it's gonna be more of a challenge over there, right? So think about it that way. It can be challenging if you create a Shopify and then you can get overwhelmed and you're just like, I give up. Or you can come over here to Merch by Amazon and leverage the Amazon traffic already, the Amazon customer, and put a design in front of them, and then you start making sales. So it's literally that simple, but you cannot overthink it, right? Very important. Yeah, so basically take advantage of the damn Amazon customer, start making sales, see how online business works when you're making sales and stuff like that, getting the volume in, and then you can come over here to making your own website and leveraging your own traffic to send out new products to and all that stuff. Okay, so it's a little, like I said, it's more challenging, but understand right there, understand what I'm talking about. How do you get paid? Okay, let's say when you get your first sales, it's not like you can just check out and take the money and then go right away. It's with Merch by Amazon, it's more of a, when you get the money, get a sale, right? It's about 30 days behind. So you won't get your money at the end of the month, you'll get it the next month, right? So they're about 30 days behind, and that's how you get paid, right? So it's a little bit confusing at first, yes, I understand. But once you get the hang of it and you start making sales and you're getting everything going, you realize, okay, cool. Okay, I'm getting paid for, that's like basically you're getting, so you, end of June, right? You don't get paid for that until July, right? And if that makes sense, right? It's like 30 days behind on the Merch by Amazon platform, and then that's how you get paid. You get paid once a month towards the end of the month. It can be from the 29th to the 30th or whatever the heck it is. It's around that time, right? And now they added multiple marketplaces, right? When they added multiple marketplaces, it's a little bit different depending on your bank, right? How long it takes to transfer from the UK over to the US bank, and so on and so forth. And now I've seen couple people say that some of their banks charge like a $15 fee if they get a deposit from like a country overseas. I'm not too sure how that works. Got to do a little bit more research on that, but I've been seeing that in some of the Facebook groups and people talking about that in threads. So something to pay attention to if you guys are doing that. You just want to keep an eye out for that. But it's really cool because recently they added more marketplaces and more marketplaces for us as merch sellers. It's like a big plus. There's more opportunity, right? More eyes on our products. And one of the biggest things too with the Amazon customer, like they trust Amazon, right? They're more trustworthy. They're more likely to make a purchase on Amazon than some third-party website that they don't know who the heck is. And this is the challenge too within itself. You have to make the customer feel comfortable making a purchase on your website. And then compared to Amazon, they know who Amazon is. They know that if they have an issue with the product, they can return it, right? As far as like all that right there goes. Because as you go along and stuff like that, and they're just trustworthy, right? Amazon's a trustworthy company when it comes to purchasing a product on there. If they don't like it, they can return it. And they know that when they're gonna get their product by a certain time if they need it, right? And they're not gonna take 40 days, 30 days, you know what I mean? If you're drop shipping a product or whatever you're doing, right? Or if it's just delayed or whatever it is, they know that they're gonna get their product within a certain time frame, and they trust Amazon, so very important. Now with the shipping settings too as well, there's an opportunity for everyone right here. Like, I think Amazon, of course, the Amazon shipping times, they can be between 5 to 7 business days, sometimes 3 business days, sometimes 4 business days, sometimes 5 business days. It all depends, you know, like once we get closer to the busy, and this is where the opportunity comes in. Once we get closer to the busy season, it seems like Amazon, we're gonna push their shipping times back. With everything that happened in 2020 with like the pandemic and all that stuff, shipping times were crazy, right? They were like a month out, 2 months out. And then now this is where the opportunity comes in, right? And this is like if you have your own website, right? And you have your own printer, right? Or if you're using a third-party company, you can kind of get ahead of that. But I know that a lot of third-party print providers were a little bit delayed with all like the rush of orders with all the pandemic and everything going on. Everyone at home just buying stuff online, right? Or working from home, or just wanting to buy that new shirt or whatever the heck it is, right? So you have to keep in mind that, like, as Merch by Amazon is still a new platform, but as it grows, the shipping times have definitely gotten better over the years, over the 3.5 years that I've been on the platform. It has got better, but over time, you can see that, okay, there's gonna be a delay in shipping times because fourth quarter, right? Everyone is ordering shirts like crazy. Online sales are boom through the roof. You're making sales. You're making 100 sales a day, 200 sales a day, 50 sales a day with Merch by Amazon, and you can see that, dang, customer traffic is crazy. How the heck are they supposed to keep up with these orders? So you got to keep that in mind too as well. Like, could you keep up with these orders if these amount of orders were coming in? Like, think about it. This is real life, right? It's like, it's not a machine. It's not like robots are working for us or any of that nature, but it's just actually human beings trying to make sure the process, the shipping times and all that stuff is all like smoothly working out fine and stuff like that. So there's errors and stuff like that over the last couple of years, and it happens, right? It happens. It's part of business. And one of the most important things too as well, when you come on to Merch by Amazon platform, you do not want to copy people's designs, right? And I'll say this throughout every single Merch by Amazon video that I make. It's important to kind of bring up this topic because a lot of people think that they can just come onto the platform and steal a design and make it as their own, and that's not how it works, right? And that's not the long-term goal. That's not how you make money, okay? The long-term goal is to create something unique and different that stands out from everyone else. That right there is gonna get you consistent sales. It's gonna help you make money long-term, and it just creates less competition for yourself, right? It just makes so much sense. Understand that. Very, very important. And one of the most biggest things is like Merch by Amazon, okay? It requires no capital, right? So like there's no room to complain, right? There's no startup costs, like no capital. You can start by making designs from your phone. If I had my freaking phone right here, I don't know where the heck it is, but you can make designs from your phone. There's GIMP, there's Photoshop, there's Illustrator, there's a lot of free resources out there to help you get started, right? There's a ton of YouTube videos out there. Thank you for watching my YouTube video, but there's a ton of resources out there, right, to help you guys get started. Very important. The real investment up front, okay, is your time and effort at the beginning, right? And then as you start growing and stuff like that, you want to take it to the next level. You can outsource, right? Creating custom illustrations and stuff like that. Creating custom illustrations, right, for any niche that you're in that you want to dominate is big because you're creating less competition for yourself. You're creating something unique, something different, and that's going to help you stand out on the platform as you grow, right? So then as you start to grow, you're going to need more because, like, for example, I can't draw. If you can draw, that's awesome. That's something that you should take advantage of, right? And get to work. And you just, the real work, you know what I mean? The real investment at the very beginning is your time and effort. And if you understand that right there, and the opportunity, game over, baby, you win, right? And this is the cool thing too, it's just Amazon, like, they're taking care of all the shipping, the customer service, right? The returns. You get charged for the return now, but still like 4 things right there. I'm pretty sure there's about 10 more things I can add in there, but that right there is huge because you're not dealing with the customer. They're taking care of that for you. Right, and that can work for you or it can work against you, right? The way it depends where you're looking at it. But if you plan on just going on to, if you plan on just making your own website, yes, I recommend that. You're creating your own brand, yes, of course, I do recommend that too as well. But at the very beginning, right, you don't know where to start. Merch by Amazon. Do Merch by Amazon, and then you can start. You can upload your designs to Redbubble, Society 6, all these other websites, right? All these other print-on-demand platforms. But what I recommend, start with Merch by Amazon. It's changed my life. I've made tons of money on the platform, right? Just understanding it, having a lot of knowledge on how the platform works. And like I said, it does take time. Once you get your first sale and all that stuff, everything gets moving, you're crushing it, you're seeing how it works, how you make your royalties and stuff like that. It's huge, right? So it's a very, very big opportunity. Take advantage of it. Now, if you guys also too, watch my other videos right here. If you guys have any questions, feel free to comment down below. And like and subscribe, man. Thank you very much. Peace.